Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Peter. This is Tech Sovara. I have an exciting announcement to make. We are going to be creating a cool new product, and this channel will be the story. So let's get straight into it. As mentioned previously in my other videos, we've been slowly building the momentum, the desire to actually kick off and build a product and document the entire process on this channel. So I had a call with my brother yesterday. He's a amateur writer. He's studying at university, and he's been working in writing, amateur writing, for a long time, for over a decade. And we have been wanting to build a video game based on our collective knowledge and our collective experience and the fantasy worlds and fiction that we had written for over a period of like 2 decades or more, about 2.5 decades. So we have all of this source material. We have amazing characters and stories to build video games on. So our first one will be a very narrow sliver of this entire world that we want to just use as a stepping stone for us to communicate these stories and these ideas to you as a wider audience. The name of the world that this will be based in is Vaie, V-A-I-E. I'm really excited to be starting on this journey. It's going to be a long journey from we've already done all of this work, and now we're actually starting to formulate things in a way where we can utilize our experience to build a real product. So this dream started when I was about 17, which is a long time ago. In that time, I've worked in the video games industry, and I've done a lot of work in software, and I've done a lot of work in business, having created some brands and some businesses over the years. And so this is a really cool and exciting next step in that evolution. So this game will be focused on story elements with primarily a gameplay of an action RPG with a rogue style, blended in a rogue style game world. So we want to create a good story that can capture an audience and create an emotional connection to the characters, while creating a focus of gameplay that's really fast, sharp, reactive. Something we want to create like a blend. We've been thinking about how to do this on a tight budget. We want to create a blend of, say, Street Fighter and Zelda. It will be a top-down action RPG, and we're kind of like just starting. So the parts of the business that we're beginning to build are just the operations side. So we've decided to use Trello for our initial project management as we start. We're using document storage on iCloud Drive. We try to use Google Drive, but everything becomes a GDoc file, and it's just difficult to manage. So we're using doc files and spreadsheets, Excel spreadsheets. From that, we're actually going to start the first product, and this is I've wanted to focus on creating a really sharp, fast, and responsive game. And I feel like using a third-party tool like Unity or Unreal Engine, you miss out on a lot of the optimizations that you could put in for your own product. So we're going to build primarily on Mac, Apple platforms. So we're going to build on iOS, iPad, and Mac. And because Apple's supporting video games a lot, we're going to be using those platforms. We're going to be using Metal for our graphics engine, and we're going to be using some of the standard Apple backend storage facilities for saving files and saving games and login and all that. So at a high level, we've got the basic idea ready, and now we're beginning to just prepare all the documentation, prepare the structure for the operational side of building the product. And we have this channel as a marketing channel, which is good. And then we have some contacts in video games and in other outlets, like publishing outlets, where we can communicate this to others. So this is the first step. This is just an announcement. We're slowly getting the ball rolling, but we've made the commitment, and we're going to be building this product. So I'm really excited to be sharing the entire journey with you guys. This is just the first step. We will share more of the content that we've already built in the past via this channel also. So if you're interested to see how to build a video game from experienced developers and builders of video game and story content, subscribe, like, and we'll see you at the next video. Thanks. Bye.